Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'll help you how to fix a call sensor problem on iPhone. So guys, if you're using any iOS device and when you have received any phone call and your phone goes to black screen, so guys, easily you can fix this problem. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you have to open your settings, scroll it down, click on general, and guys you have to reset your settings. Only maybe there is problem on your settings, so guys when you have reset you need to go back. So guys, major reason of this problem is iOS bug. So guys, if you are using any oldest version of iOS, you have to click on software update, and guys you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version. And guys, after doing this your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, you have to go back, open here the option of Apple Sport. You have to open this app on your iOS device, and guys after this you have to open your gadget here, scroll it down, click on more, and guys after this you have to scroll it down. So guys, from here you need to find the option of cellular services. You have to click on this one, and guys you need to scroll it down, click on call, and guys you need to call at these two numbers and tell them your problem, and they will fix your problem within few minutes. So guys, if still not fix your problem, maybe your sensor has been damaged physically, you need to check your iPhone to expert mechanic. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.